So before, our AI assistant looked like this, a bunch of buttons and discrete actions. And now it looks like this, surprise, a chat sidebar. From here, you can talk to your Underlord, and it can do all of those actions in the old sidebar, as well as everything else in Descript. And it can read your script, listen to the audio, and see the visuals. So I mentioned cursor earlier. If you've heard of that, it's like cursor for video. Just imagine that you have an assistant editor who is an expert in Descript hanging out in a chat sidebar at all times. You can ask them to do things for you, and they can do it at 10 times, 100 times the speed that a human could. Okay, enough talk. I'm going to show you different examples of how you can use Underlord to make video. First up, this is like a recording for a feature launch. As a first step, I'd normally go through and edit out all the mistakes and repeated lines. But now I just ask Agent Underlord. Reads the script, sees what kind of video I'm trying to make, and knows what kind of edits to make. So it goes through and removes the repeated takes, the diversions, and the long silent gaps. Next up, I want to add visuals, what we call scenes in Descript. So I say, hey, can you do a visual pass? And by the way, maybe break it up in a few places with some stock video. So it comes back with a kind of plan. It tells me that it'll try to mask the jump cuts I made in the recording earlier. Also, it notices that I seem to be talking about screen recordings, so it's going to add those. This whole visual thing is maybe my favorite feature of the new Underlord, because going through and adding these visuals to make things look good, it's just tedious and time consuming. And now I can just delegate it.